No human touched this portfolio today. The bot lost $12.07. Let me show you why. Today it bought LPTH, SNEX, BFH and sold SGOV, for orders in total, all picked by the algorithm. For context, the bot's account typically moves about 2.6% a day, so today's 0.3% was a quiet, ordinary session. Zooming out, the account sits at $4,625.06, up $1,125.06, that's plus 32.1% since the experiment started. Every trade is decided by a genetic algorithm-optimized strategy. No gut feelings allowed. Here's the scorecard so far. Across 7 track days the bot has been green 50% of the time. Its best day gained 1.8%, its worst lost 6.4%, and right now the account is 4.7% below its peak of $4,852.76. Inside the book, 35% sits in a diversified ETF sleeve, the rest is the stock picking engine, running at 65% invested. Top holdings are on screen. At 65% invested it's running a balanced, middle-of-the-road posture. Remember, the strategy can't predict the future, it just sizes its bets to survive being wrong. Quick explainer on how this thing actually works. The bot ranks stocks by momentum, how strongly they've been trending, then only buys the leaders while the broad market is above its long-term average. When that trend breaks, it rotates into bonds and treasury bills instead of fighting the tape. Tomorrow the algorithm does it again. Subscribe to follow the experiment, one trading day at a time.